So there's a questioner who wants to know my position with regards to the creation of the universe, or how everything works, and that was specifically with regards to Einstein's theory of relativity. I can't really concentrate or comment much on Einstein's theory. However, what it seems to me is that the most basic thing, or most basic denominator which you can take things down to in terms of existence, is differentiation, and that's like the key to my own unified theory, which I'll place a link for down below, which is the common thing or common theme which everything has in common is that it's differentiated. In other words, the way we can tell one thing from another is through differentiation. And that differentiation takes place on a particular ratio, which I identify as the golden ratio, or 1.618 recurring. It's an irrational number. So that's it. If you read my theory down below, which uses principles from the Quran, then that makes things clear, why this is the case, why I believe that is the case. And from that theory, I've established various postulates, an equation, and also a scale or a measuring device or system which can be actually used to how would I say, explain or corroborate that. So that's basically it. It's all to do with differentiation, but it only makes sense if you actually go right back to the beginning and go and work from there. If you're sort of like halfway through in terms of existence, and how would I say, then you try exploring the world around you according to that place where you are, it won't really make much sense, because you're looking at discrete things which are actually part of a greater whole. So it's only if you go back to where the whole started, in other words, the complete thing, and work from there. And in the Quran we actually have that. You can actually look in the Quran and find all the principles, and you know how everything started. It's explained in Arabic in precise detail. And if God gives you wisdom, then you can extrapolate from there and come out with the things that we found today, like the propagation of electromagnetic waves, the curling of the DNA, double helix, people's body language, all of it conforms to a certain pattern on all levels. So yeah, that's the basis of somebody accepting Islam or becoming Muslim, knowing your creator and how he does things. And that's a good place to start for anybody who wants to be a Muslim, or somebody who calls themselves a Muslim but really hasn't been given much to go on in terms of what to do from there. So yeah, to the person who's asked this question, I hope you find this short video presentation useful.